Hey guys, hope you're having an amazing day. In this video, we're going to do a Chinese recipe that is gaining a lot of popularity. Today's video is cumin lamb. So this is a recipe from the northern region of China that's become quite popular all throughout China and is gaining popularity all over the world. So in spring, lamb is at its peak. And today we're going to do a recipe inspired by Chinese lamb stir fry. Although there are many variations to this recipe, today we're going to make one that's most common. So let's get started. Slice your lamb into thin slices. I'm using lamb loin because it's really tender and it cooks pretty quickly. Shaoxing wine, soy sauce, cumin powder, cornstarch, white pepper powder, sesame oil, grate in a small knob of ginger and let it marinate for at least 4 hours. Finally, dice a red onion or some shallots, red chillies, a garlic, and some coriander root. Cut your spring onion stems at a diagonal. And now, to an extremely hot pan, add in some oil and blanch your lamb slices. Take out the oil and the lamb and add in your chopped aromats. Give it a quick mix and add in some Sichuan chili flakes. Drop your lamb back in along with your spring onions. And optionally, you could put in some slices of red onions for color. Normally, the lamb is marinated in a ginger and pepper water, but this lamb is pretty tender, so you don't need to do that. Add in some cumin powder, some toasted white sesame seeds, and a dash of soy sauce. Give it one final mix, and then you could sprinkle on some coriander. Now, coriander is not used in many restaurants, but I think it gives it a nice flavor. So I'm going to add coriander. You could leave it out. That's optional. And there you have it. Northern style stir fry cumin lamb. This recipe could be also made with beef, look in the description box below for the whole recipe. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my meal. Till next time, this is me signing off. Thank you for watching and bon appetit.